Hello everyone, my name is David, and I'm going to be making a video about a toaster oven. Say what you will, but this is a big deal to me. I love pizza. I use my old toaster oven all the time, but as you saw, I just unplugged it. It's gone. Okay, so granted, it was perfect. I never really had any significant issues with it, but I saw this at Target the other night, and I just had to buy it. This is the Oster. So how do I say that? Oster. For some reason, I've always thought the brand name was Oyster. Anyway, this is the Oster convection oven with pizza drawer, dedicated pizza drawer, and I'm a big fan of pizza. I eat a lot of pizza, as you can probably tell. I just love pizza, so I figured why not get this for myself. I don't know the exact model number. I don't know if this is the model or not. It says TSSTTV PZDA. Actually, there probably is it, because PZDA likely stands for pizza drawer. So I'll link this on Amazon right below. Treat yourself. So let's do this. I am very excited. It's about time for a change because I've had my old toaster oven for at least 4 years now. That's a long time for any kind of product in this world. Ugh. Hey, Alexa, what do you think of the new toaster oven?
I don't have an opinion on that.
I know, Mally. What does she know? Alright, this is where things get really neat. Check this out. Very cool. Let's make a pizza. Alright, so what's interesting about this pizza is it cooked a lot faster than the box made it sound like. I mean, the box said 23 to 25 minutes, correct? Well, this took about 15 minutes. So subtract 10 minutes from the box using this oven, and the pizza's done. So, in theory, if I did not check this until it was done, the pizza would have been burnt. Right now, it's a little tiny burnt, not a big deal. So just keep that in mind. If you're using an actual pizza rack on this toaster oven, it's gonna cook a lot faster. Not a bad thing, just something you gotta remember. Cheers. It definitely works. Oh God. I love stuffed crust. So what can I say? It's not delivery, it's DiGiorno.